Hello and welcome to QuickBooks 3x5. My name is Jeremy Jones. I will be taking you through this tutorial, and I will be showing you how to upload a chart of accounts from QuickBooks Desktop. Now let's say you get into QuickBooks Online and you're just not happy with some of the chart of account categories. And to be honest with you, it is a little sparse in a few of the areas, especially in equity. In the equity account, you don't see any other type of equity, any distributions, capital and shareholder distributions and everything like that. So I'm going to show you how to first download it from QuickBooks Desktop and then upload it up into QuickBooks Online. So the first thing we want to do is go to the QuickBooks Desktop, and then we want to let's get rid of this screen here, and let's just go to a new company. We'll just set up a new company really quickly. And test company. And the industry that we want to do is repair and maintenance, because Joe's Auto Repair is a repair shop, and the type of company is a sole proprietorship. Now if you have a different type of company, you can select any other corporation, single member LLC, multi-member LLC, whatever company you have filed under, that's the one that you want to pick, but we're going to go ahead and say that Joe's a sole proprietor, and then go to continue, and let's just go ahead and enter a zip code and phone number and create company. Now once this company is created, the first thing that we want to do is go to the chart of accounts and look at how the chart of accounts is set up in comparison to the QuickBooks Online account. And so the first thing that you want to do is go up here to we'll click out of this, we'll start working. First thing that you want to do is go up to company, and then we want to go to chart of accounts. You can also go to chart of accounts by selecting Control A. That will get you there a little bit quicker. But so now you can see that the chart of accounts is a little more robust. We have the opening balance equity, owner draw for sole proprietorship, and an owner's equity account. And so it's a little bit better that way. It also has a cost of goods sold, which QuickBooks Online does not have. So we want to get this chart of accounts over to QuickBooks Online. The way we do that is you go down here at the bottom left hand side and you click on the arrow that's pointing down on account, and then you want to go and print list. Just go ahead and press OK on that. And then you want to, instead of printing it, you want to select File and go to comma, delimited file, and then you want to go ahead and print that. And then we'll go ahead and save that. Let's just say, let's do Joe's company chart of accounts. And we're going to go ahead and save that just as it is. And then we're going to go ahead and open that account and find Joe's company. We're going to go ahead and open that file. And the one thing that we want to do in here, you can see it's divided into 3 different categories here. We want to save this as an Excel file. So we're going to go to Save As, and then we're going to go up here to Excel Workbook, because as we upload to QuickBooks Online, that is the only type of file that QuickBooks will recognize, along with CSV as well. So we can leave it as it is, or also change it to Excel. So the next thing that we want to do is go to our QuickBooks Online, and we want to import data up here in the settings and import data, And once we're there, we want to import data from chart of accounts. And you can see we can import data as a CSV or Excel, so you really didn't need to change it in the Excel, so you could have left it as is. And then we're going to go ahead and choose that file. So we're going to go to Joe's Company. Looks like I spelled company wrong. Joe's Company chart of accounts. Select that and then press continue. And there's going to be 4 items that pop up here. In this particular account, we did not have account number, so we're going to go ahead and say I don't have this. And then account name is the account. We're going to leave that as is. Account type is we're going to leave that as well as type. And then we're going to go here as far as detail type. We're going to go to income tax line, and we're going to hit continue. So now it's going to bring up, you can see that it's going to transfer over 23 items onto the chart of accounts. But we have some errors here, and all we need to do is go into that particular one. You go to fixed assets, and then this is for accumulated depreciation. You're going to go over to accumulated depreciation and select that, and it shows up as black letters instead of the orange, and that means it's going to roll over just fine. So you do that with every single one. Go to fixed assets again, and go to furniture and fixtures. Then we're going to go to payroll, other current liabilities. Go down to other current liabilities and go over to payroll tax payable, and then so on and so forth with each one. So go to equity, and then you're going to go to open balance equity. So if you see, this is where I'm pulling that last additional item. So these two are going to match. So you do that with every single one. For time's sake, I'm just going to go ahead and import these 4 items. Let's go ahead and just make sure to get our equity accounts over. This one was owner draw. So we're going to go to owner equity, and then, excuse me, that was the owner draw. So we're going to go to it's an equity account and go to owner equity will be just fine. We'll do that with both of those. Oops. That's coming out of the same account, so that's just fine. The owner draw is exactly the same thing. So you can do that with both of them. Those were the 2, and then we also wanted to move over the cost of goods. Let's find it here. There it is. So we're going to go to cost of goods, and then pull that over as looks like it's parts and material, so supplies and material. You just want to kind of match those up. So those were the 3 important ones that we wanted to push over, and we're going to go ahead and import those. It's telling me that I still have some items that I need to change. We'll just go ahead and import now. You want to make sure you select each one of those and tie those with each category. We'll press OK, and that will go ahead and import our few chart of account items. So we'll go ahead and check that. Go over to chart of accounts, and if we had done all of them, it would have pulled over all of those into there. But we just did 7 of those items, and you can see owner's equity, owner's draw. They're all here. So that is how you upload or import a chart of accounts from QuickBooks Desktop. Thank you very much. You can visit us on QuickBooks 3x5.com. That's QuickBooks3x5.com. Thanks for watching.